Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can make font text larger in Gmail application. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, also write comments after watching the video. And you and I, let's get down to our topic. So, first of all, I suggest you go to the phone settings. Scroll down a little bit to go to Control Center. And then you do that to make sure that you have a shortcut called Text Size. That you have it in the first folder, that you have it added to your Control Center, right here. If you don't have this shortcut here, then you can find it very easily here in the second group of shortcuts. And just click on the green plus sign next to it. And then the shortcut will be added right away. You can open Gmail right away. And let's say you don't like the size of your text. You'd like to enlarge it because it's hard to see. To do this, you'll need to swipe down from the right side to go to the Control Center. Here you select the text size shortcut that you just added. And next you can choose, do you want to increase text for mail only or do you want to increase text for all apps? You choose just Gmail. Next, as you can see, it's automatically set to 100% text size always on all apps. And in order to zoom in on this size bar here, you can just move it up, like 235%. And if you go out, we can immediately see the difference between what size the text was and what size it is now. That's the very simple way, folks, that you can make text larger in the Gmail app. I hope this video was helpful for you friends. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes and write your comments. And see you soon, friends.